In this video, I will discuss with you the different requirements that you need in order to proceed with the installation steps in the next videos. Basically, you need all the files, including Oracle Siebel, and you need Oracle Database 11G, and also you need your license keys from Oracle Siebel. So first you need to have an account for your company with Oracle. So you could contact Oracle in order to see what is the next step, or you could go to your account and download all the required files. Here we simplify the process for you. We've attached and created a disk installer, include every single thing that you need in order to get up and running with Siebel. So you will have an installation disk, a virtual hard drive that contains everything you need. All what you have to do is to mount this hard drive into your machine, and we're going to explain that in the next video. If you don't want to get this Siebel virtual disk installer, you could contact Siebel and download all the files from their servers. But again, we simplified all the process for you, and we cut everything with only one hard drive. It's about 11 gigabyte of files and install setup files that can help you in the installation process of Siebel. Second, you need to make your server. So you need to have Windows Server 2008. It's preferred to install it in your local environment. You could get the ISO file for Windows Server 2008 and download it, or you could get your Windows Server on the cloud by purchasing an online server such as Windows Server 2011, 2012, or Windows Server 2016. You could use 2012 as well, and you have to install it on a fresh hard drive, and you need to make sure that you have more than one partition. It's preferred to have two partitions. Let's say first partition is 100 gigabyte and the second partition is 50 gigabyte or 100 gigabyte. So 150 gigabyte is good to proceed with the installation steps. So you need to download Windows, or you could use, for example, DigitalOcean, or we have the best Windows Server hosting service. We give you virtual private server with high availability, durability, reliability, and security. You can get it at our website. We recommend to use 8 gigabyte Windows Server virtual private server, and we offer you Windows Server 2012. We offer you 8 giga, 6 cores, and 150 gigabyte. You could use your local server or use one of our servers, Windows servers, or you could use other providers like DigitalOcean or AWS or Windows Azure, as you like. But at the end of the day, we need you to have and install Windows Server with remote access, and that's what we give you with our hosting and what you got if you use any other VPS providers. So I will put all the links in the description. You could use the Siebel virtual disk installer that we simplify the life for you with this virtual package, and we've created for you a huge discount, and instead of $500 it's only for $199. So these are only the requirements, and we give you more than one option in order to get it. Thank you guys, and I will provide you with all the links in the next lesson, and after that you can proceed with an installation.